As the sun sets on the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of colors. A gentle breeze brushes against my skin as I stand amidst a tranquil meadow. Birds sing their sweet melodies as they bid farewell to the day. The rustling of leaves is the only sound as nature prepares for its slumber. In this moment of stillness, I feel a sense of peace wash over me. All worries and troubles fade away as I bask in the beauty of the world. I raise my camera to capture the scene, to preserve this moment in time. A fleeting moment of serenity, a memory to cherish for all time.